Hey guys, this is Donnie Emler Jr. We are here at the FMF headquarters where we manufacture everything 100% right here. We're going to take you for a tour on how we build our two-stroke exhaust. So come on, follow me and let's go. Everything starts off in our R&D facility. So this is exactly where we build the product right off of the motorcycle machine. We check fitment, start getting a good tuning length going. From there, we're going to head to the dyno room. We're going to check to see if it's a power increase that we like, the look and the feel of it, the power characteristics, and then from there we're going to go track test it, either with some of our off-road programs, our factory supercross, motocross teams, and from there get the feedback that we need and go ahead and put that right back into production. As you can see, these large coils, which some of them weigh around 8,500 pounds, and this is kind of where the process really starts. We load them up on the coil rack, and from there we're going to go and it's going to go through our shears and cut everything down to the size that we need, and then from there we're going to go check out the stamping process. Alright, here's our stamping process. So all of the tooling here at FMF Racing is designed in-house as well as produced here. So nothing's sent out to a tool and die shop. We do everything right here, which makes everything a little bit quicker and more efficient for us. After our two-stroke stamps are complete, we're going to go ahead and cut off the excess material so then it can go get prepared to be welded. So everything here at FMF Racing is stamped out of raw material. As you'll see here, we've got bins full of freshly stamped two-stroke end caps that are getting ready for assembly. Welcome to the FMF Machine Shop. This is where we CNC all of our parts for the two-stroke and four-stroke models. Everything from flanges to mounts to producing all of our own tooling. This is all done right here in this part of our facility. All right, now we're stepping into the welding department where we make sparks fly. This is a great process where you're going to see the two halves that we've stamped out for the two-stroke pipe come together. At first, they're going to tack them together, and then from there, they're going to finish up the welding process with a nice seam weld. Everything at FMF is finished by welding them inside of our fit jigs, and this confirms our 100% guarantee that this thing is going to fit your motorcycle up to the FMF Racing standards. Once the exhaust is completely welded up, we're going to send it out to the platers to get nickel plated. And then it comes back and we're going to go ahead and pressure test that to make sure there's no possible leaks. And then from there, it goes directly to the warehouse, out the door, and right into your hands. Thanks for stopping by the Flying Machine Factory where everything is built 100% in-house in the USA. Check us out more for all your two-stroke needs at MotoSport.com.